Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5-liter Power Boost full hybrid engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, mobile office package, trailer tow package, bed utility package, and the FX4 off-road package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, backup camera with a tailgate step. We got the FX4 logo with mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, turn light, spotlight indicated side view camera, the Power Boost emblem. We got a black hood deflector, front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system, cup holders and storage in the door. We have cup holders, storage, rear vents, 12 volt with outlets for charging. We also do get a lovely split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, tailgate lights, parking brake, and spotlights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 10 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. We got my view, trip and field, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings with a digital RPMs and digital speedometer. Gear select, those collapsible cup holder storage, wireless charging with some outlets, and an interior work surface. Put your food, meals, laptops, anything you really like with your normal storage below. Drive modes, rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, with 12 volt and 120 storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We also do get our features for our Pro Power onboard, hill, traction and hazards, and 360 view. We got our audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. We got your phone controls, navigation, pretty easy to use, search, reason saved, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power onboard, zone lighting, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA37380, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.